smoke deep, I smoke a lot of pot, but I'm not. And I know this, I don't claim I believe. People on the diet and that's a lot. That's bullshit, I ain't gonna be wrong, you never leave. Give me a thing, instead of lying, sing along with the words of a song. So what's that? It's inspiration, the basis of all creation. The force that is elastic stimulation, the energy of a brain cell changing location in relation to the situation. Dreams and meaning and adoration. Think the thoughts negate the stress and meditation, break free from this isolation. I try to be patient as a form of mental motivation. Hold my mind duration. Now I'm keeping a taking word like a declaration across the face. The creation of disgrace. I guess simply you would call it education. Imitation, notation galore. Circling report. All part and parcel of the vocation I'm pushing for. Can't give up with the people I adore. This word straight out the door. All it is now is not what it was before, and I can't ignore these changes anymore. These things can no longer be ignored. Right.